So we know what it is or no?
It's a girl. I just want to make sure.
And that was by the harmony test?
Diplomacy, I guess.
Yeah.
Tremaine, your child's got a big head.
That's the head right there.
Tremaine, your child has a big head.
And I'm just measuring it.
Oh, God.
Where's the spine? Do you see spine?
Oh.
Pretty spine.
She's gonna be long. She's kind of fat, too.
See all the way down to the butt. God, stop by Lily.
Okay, she's kind of fat. I mean, enough.
She's not big. There's a leg bone. And it weighs 9 ounces, which is good. It's where the cord starts into the belly, so the belly button is. Looking at the kidneys. So you have a name?
Urza.
What now?
Urza.
Where'd you get that from?
Anime.
What?
An anime.
Okay.
It's a Japanese name.
Oh, okay. Because I'm like, I've never heard of it before.
Them little legs just going.
No, there's the heart. See it? It's strong heartbeat.
What is it today?
154.
Yesterday it was only 133.
Well, it fluctuates.
Okay.
There's a little face. See it?
I see ear too.
Mm-hmm.
I see an ear.
And there's only one in there.
Okay. She just yawned.
I heard her.
Mine just yawned too. I see the milk go hop. What's that?
That's just the baby's placenta.
So it's not much placenta right now?
No, it's normal.
Okay.
No worries.
I know some women will have a lot of placenta and
There's some
small
that
baby.
will have a short placenta and stuff like that, but yours are normal.
Okay.
No worries.
So technically, according to that, she does. I have a pregnancy app. I have the baby bump app, and it tells you about how big the baby is each week, and it says she's the size of a sweet potato this week. So I figure she's about like that big.
Mm-hmm. And it weighs 9 ounces.
So almost a pound.
Mm-hmm. Half a pound.
Tremaine, they gonna cut this thing out. She got a big head at 18 weeks.
All babies look like that. They grow. Their body has
Yeah,
to grow
they
into
do.
it.
All
You
with
seen
the little
how they
face right
said-
there. You see it? Yeah, I mean,
She got your
everything
nose.
looks big right now because it's magnified.
She's got your nose.
How you can do?
Cause my nose ain't shaped like that.
Are you talking around here like this? So she might end up looking like me.
Come on, kick for me, turd. The first ultrasound I did, you was just a
My
baby.
first ultrasound I had with her, I was only like, I was not even.
I was, I think, 10 weeks.
Yeah.
I think I was like 10 or 11. And her feet was just a going.
My child, I don't know if it was you that did my ultrasound last time, but
She always does ultrasound.
I've been here for about 11 years, so
She did both mine.
I've been here a long time. There's a little heart.
You
See
can tell you
something?
enjoy your job, dude.
What now?
Look
You
at
can
the
tell you
heart.
enjoy your job.
Oh yeah, I enjoy it. There's some days I see so many, I'm like, oh, I need a break. But I enjoy it.
Looks like they're not in you.
Look at the
All
heart,
these babies.
Tremaine.
No. I had 2, and after my last one, I made sure I didn't have no more. I was like, no way. So, there's a little heart. See it pumping? And the little girl part's right there, the legs were wide open.
Oh, she about like Kay's.
See right there? Do you see it? Oops. Let me see if I got it, because you were laughing. Let me get in.
She about like Kayla, making sure she ain't scared to tell her where she's growing.
See right there?
And
One leg, other leg. Ain't nothing sticking out.
I laugh because that's how he sleeps. He's like,
Other leg.
It's like Kayla with her legs wide open. Look, yep, my mama girl.
Well, I mean, one thing about it, So she has a girl, maybe you'll get hand-me-downs.
Oh, I
I've
haven't told her
already
yet.
been told I'm getting everything handed down.
You can see right there, it's definitely a girl. You can see the little split. See?
Oh.
Look at that hoo-ha. That's a girl too.
Girls are sweet. They're just hormonal and moody.
Yeah, all these girls being born this year.
There is a pile of girls.
I was wanting a boy, but I got
Every
my
time
differences.
somebody
I can
gets
buy
pregnant
bows.
now, I'm like, you're having a girl. It's the year of the girls. You can't avoid it.
I can buy bows.
I wanted to be a boy.
Well, as long as it's healthy.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
I didn't really care the gender. I just wanted a boy first, just so
Just
I
want
could
a boy
have that
first. There you
older
go.
brother mentality.
Well, maybe your next one will be.
I had a too healthy baby. The juicy seal. At
It
least
kind of
people
looks
can't
like
say I
little
didn't eat.
eyeballs the way the heart is and how you zoomed in on it.
Mhm.
Is that the spine, the little bumps?
This right here is the spine. See it?
Mm-hmm.
You see all the way down to the butt. And a little face of kid. Do you see how it's laying now? It just flipped. You see that?
Oh, look at the face. You just in the face so good.
It's like saying, leave me alone.
Quit mushing on me down there. Quit mushing.
But everything looks great. And that's the main thing. Oop, just moved again.
You're not bothering her. I'll sit down and jab at my stomach. I'm like,
Look, she
"Look."
gonna be playing sports the way she doing that.
Now,
That
there's
looks.
her feet will probably come into
Sports
the picture
Yeah.
now. Let me see if I can-
She taking after me.
I don't know arms though.
You know, there's the feet, but there won't the hide. I usually try to get feet pictures too,
You had got me one. I know you had got me
Yeah.
one because her foot was just like right there.
but
Make sure we do
but
it.
your baby's feet, I see them, but it's like where it's located. They're right there. It's just hard to see them. You can see the little toes. You see them? But it's just hard to see it because of where it's located.
And you see my ultrasound on her foot, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
She had it. She's like, look, Mom, look at my foot.
Does it feel weird having your baby and then looking at mine inside me?
Yes.
I imagine it would. If you can you try to get at least one face pic?
I did.
Yay.
I got you some facial shots.
Oh gosh, she's fat right there. She's like, power to you.
All right, good deal. Everything looks great. And I got you some